Today we're exploring Book 3 of Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, a text rich with practical guidance on how to live a virtuous life. This book stands out in its emphasis on present moment awareness, rationality, and self-discipline, providing Marcus with a roadmap for daily living. Focus on present moment awareness. One of the central themes in Book 3 is the importance of living in the present. Marcus urges himself to perform each action as if it were your last, without bias, hypocrisy, or selfishness. Meditations 3.2. This call to mindfulness is about being fully engaged in each moment, avoiding distractions from the past or anxieties about the future. In contrast to other sections of Meditations, which often explore broader philosophical themes, Book 3 zeroes in on the practical application of Stoic principles in everyday life. Marcus is reminding himself, and us, to make the most of each moment, grounding our actions in the present, rather than being pulled in different directions by time. Emphasis on rationality and moral integrity. Another key theme is the role of rationality in guiding our actions. Marcus believes that reason should be the foundation of all decisions, writing that rationality protects us from opinions inconsistent with the nature of a rational being. Meditations 3:11. For Marcus, rationality is what allows us to align our actions with our true values, ensuring that we remain consistent in our pursuit of virtue. Moral integrity is closely linked to this theme. Marcus emphasizes that the only true good comes from within, particularly through living a virtuous life. Meditations 3:11. This principle of integrity is about being true to our values, regardless of external circumstances. It's a reminder that virtue is entirely within our control, and that no external force can compel us to act against our principles unless we allow it. Self-discipline and simplicity. Marcus also discusses the importance of self-discipline, particularly in eliminating unnecessary actions. He advises to do what is necessary, do what the reason of the social requires, and do it in the spirit of that direction. Meditations 3.4. This focus on simplicity is about stripping away what is superfluous and concentrating on what truly matters. In Book 3, this emphasis on simplicity and self-discipline is particularly strong. Marcus is aware of the many distractions in life and is reminding himself to avoid them. By focusing on what is essential, he aims to live a life of clarity and purpose. Inner strength and peace. Marcus stresses the importance of cultivating inner strength and peace. He writes that one's soul should be like a fortress, invulnerable to the chaos of the outside world. Meditations 3.9. This idea reflects the Stoic belief that while we cannot control external events, we can control how we respond to them. This theme of inner resilience is a key focus of Book 3. Marcus is writing to himself about how to maintain his composure amidst the pressures of his role as emperor. By cultivating inner strength, he seeks to remain grounded and composed, no matter what life throws his way. Differences from other books. Book 3 differs from other sections of Meditations in its practicality and tone. While all of Meditations serves as a guide for Stoic living, Book 3 is particularly focused on day-to-day applications. Marcus is not just contemplating abstract ideas. He's giving himself actionable advice on how to live each day with virtue. The tone of Book 3 is also more intimate, as if Marcus is having a personal conversation with himself, reminding himself to stay disciplined and true to his principles. This contrasts with other books, where the focus might be more on the nature of the universe or the transience of life. Conclusion. In conclusion, Book 3 of Meditations offers a practical approach to Stoic philosophy. It's about living with purpose, focusing on the present, and cultivating inner strength and moral integrity. These teachings remind us that true fulfillment comes not from external achievements, but from the consistent practice of virtue and rationality. As we navigate our own lives, we can take inspiration from Marcus's reflections, applying these principles to our daily actions and decisions. By doing so, we can build a life of clarity, purpose, and inner peace, just as Marcus Aurelius sought to do over 2,000 years ago. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to our discussion.